something else and just shake it before I show you the fireworks. Okay. What are you doing now? See, I've got a pig. There's a pig on it. You're not meant to see.
I need the light off. I can't see. I can't see. I'm telling.
You do that.
Leave it off.
So you can't see.
No, and then turn this off.
And then the video camera can't see.
There we go.
Still can't see.
Leave it.
Turn it on after this firework.
Oh, and then
Yes.
I can't see.
Yes.
I won't
You can see absolutely fine.
Yes, it can if you make a big screen.
Right.
I don't want you to. Now I can't see. That's in the way, look.
The window is in the way.
No, look, I can't see. I have to open the window, or the curd. I can see my jaws and me. And I can see you. See?
Oh, you can see through your shadow.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
It's in the way. I don't want you to see.
I'll come behind the curtains then. You shut up.
No, I still won't. I only need them both sun. So.
That little light there, not the big one, the small one, that moves and is turning off and on. And then that small light down there is a firework, very small one. Any more? Nah. Just carry on.
Keep the phone up and see.
These are very small, but kind of good.
Yeah, they're really good. I just think they're my friends, you know.
They're not your friends, you don't even know who they are.
Yeah, they said
They're not your friends. No, they're not your friends. Another one. That is very small and pathetic. You would buy that much just for that kind of small little tiny whiny firework. And then when he walks over, it's going to explode in his face, and then it's going to go into his mouth out of the other side of his neck. And he's just going to die because it will explode inside him. Here we go, another one. That one is the most smallest one I've ever seen. It looks like a willy from the camera.
Oh my god, I just saw a big firework.
I don't care. Shut up. I'll get my knife. Like I always say.
I always love. You just missed them.
Well, it isn't on now. I gave no reason.
You go toilet.
Stop it, please. With the bag in.
I have to go for it. Leave it off or I can't see now. Dad won't let me turn the light off. I can't see. That's the way it is. I don't. It was.
Right, if you guys don't stand there and be quiet and watch this, you're all going to bed. I'm going downstairs. And if you can't stand there and behave, I can hear you through Jacob's monitor. You'll be going to bed with a smack bum. Behave yourselves. I mean it, Joshua. Behave. No trains, no swimming.
Having a spaz attack on the floor. Going crazy.